Give your laundry the perfect gentle treatment with the Bosch Condenser Tumble Dryer range. This particular model is a 9 kg humidity controlled condenser tumble dryer with a B energy rating, meaning you no longer have to worry about the vented pipes or the humidity around the tumble dryer area. The tumble dryer has a reservoir that gathers all the water collected from your wet and damp clothes during your drying process. You simply empty the reservoir container out and run another cycle. This particular model is equipped with a number of humidity and time controlled programs. This tumble dryer has an Allergy Plus program and an E-Calf quality tested seal for soft laundry free of allergens. Each program is specifically created to give you the best drying results for different types of fabrics and textiles. The humidity controlled programs are equipped with Sensor Dry. This means that the sensors measure the moisture in your laundry and continuously adjust the time to the chosen dryness level. This humidity controlled technology ensures a lower energy consumption. The large LED display is easy for you to read, and it allows you to add extra options to your programs. The machine also has a child lock to ensure that the current program is not tampered with. The large portal with a 165-degree opening makes loading and unloading easy and practical. The drum is designed to be a sensitive drying system. The textile care drum structure and the soft paddles are designed to ensure the utmost care on your garments. The drum even has a light to ensure no garments are left behind. The anti-vibration design ensures stability and quietness during the drying process. So if you're looking for a tumble dryer that is easy to use and takes care of your laundry, then the Series 6 tumble dryer range is just for you. And it's a perfect match for the Series 6 washing machine range.